Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel, and I hope you all are doing well. And in this video I'll be sharing with you how to make tasty Ghana local light soup, and I hope you enjoy this recipe. It's very simple with few ingredients, so I hope you will enjoy this recipe. And also don't forget to subscribe, like and share. So for my ingredients, I'll be using hard chicken, tomatoes and habanero pepper, blended ginger, garlic, onion, chopped onions, carrots, paprika powder, chicken stock seasoning, homemade seasoning powder. So I already have my boiling water, and to it I'll add the tomatoes, pepper, carrots. I'll cover and cook on a medium heat for about 5. Next, in a large saucepan, I'll add the chicken. It's already washed, and to it I'll add the blended ginger and garlic, chopped onions, chicken stock seasoning, homemade spice blend, and paprika powder. I'll now cook it on a medium heat for about 10 to 15 minutes. Next, I'll check on my vegetables if it's done, and as you can see, it's all done at this point. I'll now transfer it into a blender, and I will add the vegetable stock. So next I'll go ahead and blend it until it's very smooth. Next, the meat has been cooking for a while now, so I'll go ahead and add in the blended mixture. So I'll stir it, and I'll rinse the blender, and I'll add more water to it. Next, I'll give it a stir, and I'll let it simmer for about 10 minutes. So next I'm adding in jalapeno peppers, and it's all done. So I'll go ahead and serve with my fufu. You can also have it with rice, yam. So yes, it's looking so delicious, and I hope you have enjoyed this recipe. So this is a very simple chicken light soup. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. And I hope you have enjoyed this recipe. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye.